Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on Jamaica becoming a republic. Now, just to give you a little background, the Jamaican head of state is still the monarchy in England. So today the head of state in Jamaica is the King of England. It used to be the Queen up until a few weeks ago. Jamaica is an independent country, but the head of state is a foreign country or a foreign entity. Now, people might say this is not really that important, but if the Parliament of Jamaica approves a law, that law cannot be put in place until the head of state signs it into law. So it is not the Prime Minister of Jamaica that would sign that bill into law for it to take effect. So obviously the monarch isn't going to come to Jamaica, but they have a representative who is the Governor General. So the Governor General would sign it into law on behalf of the King now. And as an independent country, persons have been asking, why is that so? We are independent. And also, to declare a state of emergency, the Prime Minister of Jamaica cannot do it. He has to go to the Governor General for him to sign approving the state of emergency. So and then based on the history of slavery and colonialism, a lot of Jamaicans are asking, if we're an independent country, why do we still have the King of England as our head of state? So Jamaica the government I should say, has been talking about becoming a republic, where you would no longer have the King of England as our head of state. So today we're going to give you an update on the transformation to republic. That is the name of the article. Transformation to republic will be pursued with haste. So let's take a look at the article and then we discuss it after. The government will be moving with haste and alacrity towards transforming Jamaica into a republic, says Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness. Addressing Tourism Minister Honorable Edmund Bartlett's 25th anniversary scholarship program at the Half Moon Hotel in St. James, Mr. Holness said that while the process is something he inherited, he never expected it to be a straight line. It is time that Jamaica become a republic. For us, the process is not simple, and we have known this from we started on this journey. And we are making sure that we check every box as we move deliberately in that regard, the Prime Minister noted. So I'm saying to you, Honorable Minister Marlene Malahoo Fort, please move ahead with speed and a clarity on this matter. Jamaica must become a republic, he said, adding that whatever obstacles the process might encounter, the government will be in for the long haul and we will do whatever it takes. In the meantime, the Prime Minister pointed out that he regularly keeps tabs on the homicide rate, particularly in St. James, and has firmly concluded that the states of public emergency (SOEs) have worked. I do my research in this area for my own personal interest, and I see the President of El Salvador gets 10 straight extensions of their state of emergency, moving their murder rate from as high as 100 per 100,000 to 7 per 100,000, Mr. Holness said. So I reflect on Jamaica. In El Salvador, 60,000 persons have been arrested, and in Jamaica we are nowhere near that. We are 2 weeks, maximum 30 persons, he noted. The Prime Minister said he is not proposing by any stretch of the imagination that we should contemplate that course of action. But I wish to point out that the society moves back and forth with some of these academic arguments. People are losing their lives, Mr. Holness said. And the move will remain divided on the subject. And the more we remain divided on the subject of taking instrumental and decisive action, criminals feel as if they have places where they can hide. We must close the gap, so we still hope for consensus to allow us to use the constitutional tools in a judicious way and in a way that respects human rights and preserves our liberal democracy, he emphasized. Alright, guys, so that's the end of the article. So, Jamaica is on the road to becoming a republic, and with a republic, it was proposed that you're still going to have the prime minister, but you're going to have a president as well. Now, I think Trinidad is a republic, and Barbados, was it Barbados or Bahamas? Barbados, one of them became a republic the other day, like last year. And a lot of persons in Jamaica were saying, well, if Barbados has gone ahead and done this, why is it taking Jamaica so long? Because most of these Caribbean countries were under British rule, so they had the same kind of government structure that we currently have, and they were able to do it. So why is it Jamaica is taking so long to do it? And I don't get the impression that the opposition is against it. It's just for everybody to sit down and get on the same page. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.